What's up, guys? My name is Paul Grilli. I'm the Ford Accessories and Ford Performance Parts rep in a large portion of Ohio that happens to cover Lebanon, Ohio, and have my truck up here today. It's a 2022 Bronco Black Diamond 2-door that I ordered with the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder because I figured Ford Performance would be coming out with a calibration kit, and they are, which will actually get the performance real close to what you get out of the 2.7 from the factory. Basically, it's going to take this thing up to 330 horsepower, which is a major improvement over factory. Factory, even on premium fuel, you're at 300 horse and 315 pound-feet of torque. And this is all really from a tune, essentially. It'll improve the shift sequencing, gives you the ability to run up to 37-inch tires on it. You can reconfigure the rear end to a 4.70 gear ratio. And now we're going to take it for a little run and see what this soft rolling pull before the upgrade, see what that looks like. Okay, so just my experience in daily driving this thing, it takes a minute to get to the horsepower and torque band, especially from a dead stop or even from a slow roll like that. So hopefully the improved shift pattern is going to help with that. It gives you the same torque as the 2.7. It comes in a little higher on the power band, I think at 3,500 RPMs. But really, guys, for a 3-year warranty product, does not void the factory warranty, and gives you those kinds of horsepower and torque gains, additional 30 horsepower and an additional 75 pound-feet of torque. It's hard to beat, and I'm real excited to get it on mine. And I'm looking at going with a 34.5-inch pizza cutter tire, so I'll be able to reconfigure the speedometer in the truck to accommodate for that as soon as Ford releases the Ford Performance Bilstein suspension upgrade that I also plan on putting on this thing. I really drive it every day, a lot, and I also take it in the woods. Hopefully this power pack calibration kit will help with both. Alright, we're about to pull back into Lebanon Ford. Gonna get this calibration kit installed. We'll take it right back out and see if it really does what they say it will do, and we'll run it. Alright, so we're going to give you guys a quick comparison. Just got the ProCal tune installed, the Ford Performance Power Pack calibration kit. Super quick install. My man Brandon over there had it done in a very short amount of time, and we're going to take you on the same rolling start here that we just did and see how it stacks up. It's already more responsive in the throttle. This thing moves. Definitely felt more low-end responsiveness. Real smooth shift pattern still. I would run it in sport mode from time to time prior to the tune, and I felt like you got a lot harder shifts that way, so it was smooth. It was like butter. It really pulled. Not like, you know, GT 500 pull, but it pulled. I want to go run it again. All right, guys, just got back to the dealership after taking this thing for its first run, after putting the Ford Performance ProCal Power Pack tune, which was installed in maybe 10 minutes. Super quick to do. Carries a full 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. Does not void my factory warranty. And for $895, it took this thing, 2.3 liter 4-cylinder, to 330 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque. It's a 75 foot-pound gain on the torque. It's also available for the 2.7 V6. That's going to take it to 430 horsepower and 467 pound-feet of torque, which is an incredible amount. It's under warranty. It's a Ford product. It's tested, it's tried, it's true, and from the first run, I could see some real significant gains. It was fun. It was fun to drive. So that's it, guys. Thanks again for having me out here. Paul Grilli with Ford Accessories, Ford Performance Parts here at Lebanon Ford.